Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly emerged as a transformative force across various industries, revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact. As advancements in AI continue to accelerate, the topic of the future of artificial intelligence, opportunities and challenges has become increasingly significant. This exploration delves into the potential that AI holds for shaping our future while examining the complex challenges it presents. 1. The promise of AI. The first aspect to consider is the vast array of opportunities that AI presents. Discuss the potential for AI to enhance productivity, automate mundane tasks, and unlock new levels of efficiency in sectors such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and customer service. Highlight breakthroughs like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision that enable AI systems to analyze complex data, make informed decisions, and perform tasks once reserved for humans. 2. Economic impact. Examine the economic implications of AI, both in terms of job creation and displacement. Discuss the transformative potential of AI technologies in driving economic growth, innovation, and the emergence of new industries. Address concerns about the displacement of certain jobs and the need for upskilling and reskilling the workforce to adapt to the evolving job market. Ethical considerations. Delve into the ethical challenges associated with AI development and deployment. Discuss issues like algorithmic bias, privacy concerns, and the potential for AI to amplify existing societal biases. Explore the need for transparency, accountability, and responsible AI practices to ensure that AI systems are fair, unbiased, and aligned with human values. 4. AI and human interaction. Examine the evolving relationship between humans and AI. Discuss the potential for AI to augment human capabilities, assist in decision-making, and provide personalized experiences. Explore the challenges of maintaining a balance between AI-driven automation and preserving human creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence. 5. Trust and security. Address the challenges of building trust and ensuring the security of AI systems. Discuss the importance of robust cybersecurity measures, data privacy safeguards, and the need to mitigate potential risks associated with malicious use or manipulation of AI technologies. 6. AI and global collaboration. Highlight the importance of international cooperation and collaboration in AI research and development. Discuss the potential for shared standards, ethical frameworks, and policy regulations to ensure responsible AI deployment globally. Explore how international collaboration can help address challenges such as data sharing, intellectual property rights, and the potential for AI arms races. 7. Future implications. Speculate on the future impact of AI technologies. Discuss emerging trends such as explainable AI, AI and autonomous vehicles, AI and healthcare diagnostics, and the integration of AI with other disruptive technologies like robotics and the Internet of Things, IoT. Explore the potential benefits and challenges that these advancements may bring. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of artificial intelligence, opportunities and challenges encompasses the vast potential of AI to transform industries, reshape economies, and improve human lives. However, it also requires careful navigation of ethical concerns, privacy issues, and the equitable distribution of benefits. By proactively addressing these challenges and fostering responsible AI development, we can harness the full potential of AI while ensuring a future that is both technologically advanced and ethically sound.